So hello, welcome to my show. I get my face eaten by a dog. Welcome to Italian country life. While I was driving here, I had deja vu, but it wasn't really deja vu because I've actually been here before. I was here 10 years ago. So when you read my book, Italy is my boyfriend, there is a scene in the book where I literally have my face in my friend's lap while they're driving up to this house. Oh, this road. Are you f***ing kidding me right now? Holy shit. This is terrible. Sorry about all the swearing. Where the f*** are we going? What the f***? No. I'm sweating right now and my asshole is like... Of course, Federico loves to bring me back to properties I've already seen. I've seen this house, 100%. I knew it. I never forget a house. Penso io vedere questo.
Non remember.
So this has been on the market. He's been trying to sell this thing for, well, I saw it probably 12 years ago. I've looked at this house before. I'm not going to argue with him, but I've seen this house before, 12 years ago. If you like hiking, this is the perfect area for you.
The weather is not so nice, but usually we have a very nice view on the Apuane.
Yeah.
The reason why I bought this house was because I wanted to organize retirements or groups of meditation.
The owner of the yoga meditation retreat place was exactly what I expected. She was very calm, tranquil, had her head sort of in this turban-y thing, had a very peaceful look on her face. She wore kind of bohemian clothes.
I took these places because there are two buildings. One was for the cows. I created a yoga room. I'm actually teaching yogas. And underneath the place to eat, you know, a refectorium.
I am very excited about this. This is fun, Federico. When I came here, it was like nothing. And now she's taken it and made it like into this incredible space. Normally I don't like the revisit, but I do like this revisit, and you're lovely. All right, well, take us on a tour.
Okay.
You really changed this.
We kept the corridor, but then we created 2 units instead of 4, and we added a bathroom for 2 rooms.
I got it. Okay, so this is a rental. What are you asking for this? How much money?
800,000.
So it's close to $1 million. Oh, I think that, first of all, the pricing is insane. I mean, there might be a yogi out there that has like $1 million to like just throw into a, you know, a yoga meditation space in the middle of nowhere. I guess it's good that it's in the middle of nowhere. It's certainly peaceful, beautiful piece of property. Hey!
See, this is the area which has been reconstructed.
Ah.
The walls are new.
This is a nice room. It's very zen here.
Thank you. And the roof has been isolated with hemp and calc.
Very cool.
Yeah.
I mean, it is very zen here, I will say.
Is it?
Yeah, it has a very zen energy. I could see you could sleep very well in this room.
I hope so.
Yeah, those natural products, I'm telling you. Okay, and the stone walls are great. And you've done a nice job with the stone and the stucco. Yeah, these are really nice rooms.
This is south.
Okay, and then it's the same on this side.
Yes, exactly the same.
That's a beautiful fireplace. But see, I would make this like a living room area.
Oh.
You know, put a kitchen over there and make bathrooms in the bedrooms. And
so in that case, you have 3 apartments.
Right.
1 for each floor.
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you essentially renovated this to be a space that you would conduct your business. Your guests live here.
Yes.
And then you conduct your yoga, your meditation, your practice here.
Exactly.
Got it. If you are interested in doing like yoga retreats, this is already set up for that.
Yes, exactly.
Right. Staging the house. I want $1 million for this, but here's my dirty, stinky, smelly laundry. Oh, I love this railing. It's great. Was it made by an artist?
It was here when I bought the
Oh, wow, you're kidding.
sort of cleaned it.
Beautiful, isn't it? Oh, wow, look at this. Okay.
And it's the same. One bathroom, 2 bedrooms.
Explain the floor situation to me.
This is the original floor,
Okay.
but we had to go to dig, come with tubes and
Okay.
stabilization against earthquakes. There is no place to put this, so we created this solution.
Got it, okay. So this is not finished here.
No, the place is finished. We just have to paint the walls.
Oh, you just have to paint the walls. There are things that need to be finished here, for sure. It's unfinished, essentially. But what you've done, it's very cool.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's really cool. Really just need somebody to come in and finish it up. It just depending on how you want to use this space. I mean, right now it's very much set up as a guest house.
Yeah.
But it's so big that it could be a really beautiful family house. And I like it. I mean, I think it's a gorgeous space. The space is beautiful and the view is beautiful and the property is beautiful. I would move in here. It's very pretty, but you have to market it both ways, as a business, and you could make it a family home. So I came in this way last time because I remember I said there's a credenza against the wall. It's still there. This is where I came in, Federico.
Questo è bellissimo
But
l'entrata.
this is where entrare
Di qua.
10 anni fa. Qua.
Sì,
Perché
sì, sì,
io
mi ricordo.
Che è questo?
Questo io non me lo ricordo.
Io
guarda.
ricordo tutto.
No, perfetto, sono con te.
I remember the kitchen is cool, but it has to be ripped out. I mean, this is what she doesn't understand. For her, this is beautiful. I mean, it's really old, but it has a great fireplace. Yeah, this is terrific. Let's get a nice shot of this right here. I need a Zen moment, so I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because this is painful, torturous sometimes. And you guys can help me out by hitting that button. Okay, so here's the deal. So you can put the pool here, you put the pool here, and then you can make that like the outdoor, barbecue here, kitchen and stuff here. Like, I love the buildings, I love the location. I think it's really gorgeous. This is beautiful. Pool, guest house over there, main house over here. I think when you're finished it's worth $1 million. It's improved since I saw it last, I will say, definitely. I have to look at the plat and see how much land there is, but they have a vineyard that you can work. And they have olive trees, and it is very charming and very beautiful. And it is like 80% there. So I think that, you know, and it is very beautiful on the inside. So it's not a stretch to make it really, really beautiful, yeah. You know, and that's the thing about staging, you know, it's like I mean, this is not 800,000. I mean, you put a beautiful setting here. I think somebody with a vision could make this spectacular. Because to me, you put a pool here or a pool there, or, you know, I mean, you've got enough room to put a beautiful pool and but it needs a little zhuzhing. And this is the yoga studio?
No, it is the kitchen and eating place.
Oh, so this is like where your students would eat. Got it, okay. How many students do you have come here a year?
Oh, not many, but you can have 15 students.
You can have 15
easily,
on this space.
Even 20.
Okay. This is very cool. Is this like a fire for out here?
Not really a
Not
fireplace,
really, okay.
no.
All right, not really. Could be though. I would.
But you don't want to warm the outside, you know.
Well, and when it's cold outside, you sit in front of the fireplace. In America, roast marshmallows, we do it. We love it on the outside of fireplace. Well, you have to be a yogi just to get up here. Oh my God.
No,
Like
you
the
can use
staircase.
that as an
The staircase is a killer. You could kill people here. Oh my-
no, you can use the staircase.
Always the stairs.
That's a scary staircase to me, though. There's no railings.
You put
or
one
anything.
foot in the middle, one foot on the side, one foot in
Well,
the
you're
middle.
a yoga person. I'm not. I mean, you're much more flexible.
So
than I am.
there is a
This
floor.
is fantastic.
This is a floor heating floor.
Heated floor, excellent for master bedroom, master bathroom. Beautiful. This is gorgeous.
Thank you.
So last time I was here, this wasn't open, so I couldn't come in.
But it was the place to keep the hay. How do you say hay? The
Hay barn in
was, and
English.
the cows were downstairs.
This is fabulous. So this is really fabulous. I love this. This is great. You did a beautiful job on this.
Oh, thanks.
It's really pretty. Really, really, really pretty. They are going to go around and film everything without people. Cool.
So just be careful when you go to the first floor on the right. Not the room on the right, but the room on the left. That's where the dog is.
So right or left doors? You feeling lucky? Because that was really clear instructions. Please be careful though, seriously. Okay, well, it was so lovely to meet you.
Thank you.
You have, of course, lovely energy. This property is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful, peaceful, lovely here. The buildings themselves are really quite beautiful. They're ancient buildings that you've redone. A lot of the really hard work has been done, the new roofs and all the repointing. That's all the expensive stuff. And all the walls, they're very thick and they're concrete. They're made appropriately. I just want to thank everybody for joining us. I want to thank you. Of course, my partner in crime.
Thank you.
Couldn't do it without Federico. Thank you for bringing me back to this space to see it redone. That was really exciting. And if you've gotten this far, please like and subscribe. And thank you to everybody who's joining me. And thank you for watching my videos. We'll see you next time. Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao.